Wagwan ENT.
Call the Kings on top. The man called Ainsley, neutral star. You're a styler star. You're a styler.
This is what a bumpy.
Musically sound playing, you come think call.
Can't find a reason. Papa Jaro, we so nice. I can't find a reason. Now I'm craving your body. If it's real, temperature's rising. I don't wanna feel I'm in the wrong place to be real. Oh, and I'm longing to love you.
Go back and cool Johnny Osbourne and play from the top to the musical very last drop, and I want to hear them listen them style so. Just listen them carefully, you know. Intelligent lyrics. Why Jaro sing on them are the best in Jamaica. Murder style. Listen me so.
I can't find a reason.
Dedicated to all the people in Dunkirk right now.
I'm craving your body. If it's real, temperature's rising. I don't want to feel I'm in the wrong place to be real. Oh, and I'm longing to love you just for a night.
Promise you wanted my Porsches right now.
Please let me love you with all my mind. The reason that we here, the reason that we fear, I feel it won't disappear. And after the love games have been played, all our illusions will just a parade, and all our reason starts to fade. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Jaro style.
Can't find a reason why my love won't disappear. Can't find a reason why nice girls are so rare. Can't find a reason. Oh baby, I can't find a reason. And in the morning when I rise, no lucky feeling in my time. Find a reason, can't find a reason why I love you, baby, my dear. I can't find a reason.
Man called Johnny Osbourne says, Jaro special. Them style of Jaro use and put on the side, so I want to look for rhythm, say, one Jaro. Lick shot, Jaro, lick shot. Pull them up.
Now I'm craving your body. G,
your peas.
It's rising. I don't want to.
Slash a picnic, we're ready. Dedicated to bulleted.
The reason that we here, the reason that we feel.
Man call Ainsley, the number one selector in the whole wide world. Along with the sound king, the most girl, the worship of Diamond and Pearl. Along with Jamaican, the ambassador. You, Madoo, the singer, Puddy Roots, the singer. The man called John Wayne. Now we go to call the water bumpy scene. Go on, so. Now we go part two style of thing called the water bump. The man called Johnny Osbourne. Along with the sound like that, the Killamanjaro, 83 style. Along with the man called Ainsley, along with Jim Kelly, the ambassador. Go on, super. Mother Sata.
This is what a bumping. Hey, hello.
Listen to me, so.
Oh,
Go on, Jaro. Big boat, yeah.
You do the thing to keep you rocking and I swing the water pumping.
Big boat, yeah.
My darling, you do the water pumping.
Extra large, you have to buy a water
do the thing to keep you rocking and I swing the water pumping. Baby, you take your time, your water pumping. My darling, you take your time. No need to hurry. You take it easy when you do the water pumping. Darling, it's only love that the poor man have plenty of. It's only love that the poor man have plenty of. I'll give you loving, darling, and don't you talk about the kissing, baby, and the all-night squeezing, darling, don't you talk about the hugging, me baby, and don't you talk about the squeezing, baby, you do the thing,
regular
do the thing,
Killamanjaro
you keep and swing the water pumping, darling, let's do the water pumping, darling, you do the water pumping, darling. If you fall from the races, I know this case does pick yourself from off the ground. I make me do the water pumpy, me darling, come make me do the water pumpy, me darling, nobody want to jumpy. Baby, me say me tired of the punky. Darling, I me no want no darling, let's do the thing to keep you rocking and swing the water pumping. Me darling, let us do the water pumping. Darling, we water pumping in the morning. Darling, nobody talk about the evening. Me baby, it's only love that the poor man have plenty of. And I will give you my loving, all of my love.
Now man call Puddy Roots or some singing style, verse style. Boy, I'm gonna show you this are the 83 singer. Listen him carefully. Winner, Puddy Roots, sing for them star.
Special request each and every one. Another year, sing. Buenas días el muchacho, I'm on Mr. Puddy from El Salvador. My father own a truck and a big jumbo. He fly over the mountain, it kill a Django. The airport where it land, them call it Palisado. So me in a taxi and in a Volvo. Me know it from me head straight down to me toe. Say what you never know about the roots I teach you so. Say go Jarasona, you fi go, you fi go. Say go Jarasona, you fi go, you fi go. The president for Cuba name Fidel Castro. They watch how we me hear them a call it Seco. The richest set of people live a Saint Andrew. A man me say no by.
Yes, Puddy Roots, boy, I love how you're going at. Sing it forward, so. Sing it forward, so. Puddy Roots, international singer.
Special request to Jaro Nadir live. Buenas días el muchacho, is a man Mr. Puddy from El Salvador. My father own a truck and a big jumbo. He fly over the mountain, it kill a Django. The airport where it land, them call it Palisado. So me in a taxi and in a Volvo. Me know it from me head straight down to me toe. Say what you never know, a Killamanjaro teach you so. Say go Puddy Roots, you fi go, you fi go. Say go Jarasona, you fi go, you fi go. The president for Cuba name Fidel Castro. They watch how me hear them a call it Seco. The richest set of people live a Saint Andrew. A man me say no bite what you know you can't show. 11 and 11 data, 22, 21 and 21 data, 42, 41 and 41 data, 82 can me say buenas días el muchacho. Is a man Mr. Puddy from El Salvador. My father own a truck and a big jumbo. He fly over the mountain, it kill a Django. The airport where it land, them call it Palisado. A Killamanjaro, you fi follow, you fi go.
Me mama, all it pull up, all that pull me selector. Boy, what a singer can't sing. Now here come the Jaro, all of the sound that want to fight against Jaro. This one dedicated to all of the man who want to fight against Jaro sound. See, I want to hear them listen to lyrics I know star. Like Chris, vibes. Lord of mercy, come and say I don't know what I don't know. Why some soul man bad-minded so? I don't know what I don't know. Why some soul man bad-minded so? If we try to reach the top, them never stop push we and chop we now we back one. And if we don't really try at all, them never stop push we till we mouth really full of white squall. Say I don't know what I don't know. Why some soul man that minded so? Go on. We have the rhythm, Jaro have the rhythm. We have the rhythm, now deal with no ism one. We have the rhythm, genre of the rhythm. We have the rhythm, now deal with no ism cause I don't talk it about the sound that got the most little plan. Hey, bang 16 other sound them lie down on the land. Hey, bang when them hear genre him coming, they say them jump and do thing the lands. Man them know Lord Papa Jaro. Him and the sound them Casanova. Lord of mercy. Come and say, hey Papa Jaro, make your band so. Come and say, hey Papa Jaro, make your band so. Because you're coming on the dance and you line up in a row. You stand up out there but you a star up the show. Who flying on the ear Lord like a jangro. You going on the field, you want to reap what you sow. No matter if you walk and step on me toe. And when we come and dance Lord, we come to start the show. Car in on the dance, them a do the limbo. Bim! In on the dance, them a do limbo. Car I don't know what I don't know. Why some sound man bad minded so? Lord of mercy. How the man I say, John?
Liver vibes, Kelly. I beg your official style of every cow. I murder, we go church. Do church. The big old thing called a tiger, cow. Murder style. I spin request to our broken lives. And I'll feel as eyes. Murder. And our Dunkirk eyes. Bang ba da 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 da. Bang ba da angle of arm. They have the tiger, Papa Jaro of the tiger, John Wayne of the tiger, Mr. Sister America, you have to get me in a circle, me say the woman with the girl, but me don't win the circle, but if you happy and you love it, all murder, so you can drag it up me operator, make up a nice up the area. Beg you, touch the mixer, operator. Is that the way they man? Boy, me have to say the operator come like in the wall with a taxi. What me have to say is a taxi in a bar. We have to drive it all boat to the dance hall. See? All boat people drive to the dance hall tonight, me have to the one. A bird style. Where them stand up and now me have to the lion. The legal thing called a tanker. Me no one champion go that well. Do it, Jen. John Wayne of the tiger, John Wayne of the tiger, James Kelly of the tiger, Peter Metro of the tiger, Papa Zozo of the tiger, Papa Ainsley of the tiger, Papa Jaro of the tiger, Mr. Sister America, you have to come in a circle, me say the woman with the girl, but me don't wait the turtle, baby ride tricycle, I take big man ride bicycle, I cycle them also drive them motor vehicle, a vehicle me favorite is a icicle, I cycle me baby sick with me, sir, I me so me pants with nigga, a nigga me nah ride no tricycle, I cycle me nah drive no motor vehicle, a vehicle me say hey sister America no matter coming on a circle, but I Mr. Walker, a Walker, me say me love off your daughter, me say the one with name Sandra, a Sandra, me say she live round the corner, John Wayne in your area, me and the roots and culture, a culture because me come from me mother, me say me father waistline, sir, a line, sir, I so go, I figure trouble John Wayne, boy. I figure trouble James Kelly, boy. Lord, boy. Bang by the angle, boy, girl. A bird style, like when she call it in the bird style.
Yes, you know, along with Lady and Peter Metro, boy, I tell you say, it's like them devil 2-1 flashes in Lady and what's in the way still.
And I hope you have nothing to do. We are going on a summer holiday to let my dreams come true. To let my dreams come true.
Say Bossa Nova, say Lady and she and me mobile. Come me say Bossa Nova.
I tell you Peter Metro and me bubble.
I'm so wonderful and I'm so beautiful. I'm so attractive. I'm for the massive. All the other race are sound them a long cage. All the other race are DJ a bad cage. But this a bossa nova. Jesus Christ. Rastafari no. Operator, please, me I beg you. Do lift it up one more time, operator. A style just broke up now style. I said a style a while. Saying, well now dreadlock dedicate the song to all the man in the year. Saying, well look at me little thing called lady and send that tune a release. Worries. But you look at the one spoilers heights, me I show you. I'm dedicating the song to all Julian Heights and Dunkirk and saying,
what a party night. Oh, what a party night.
Watch it.
Drink.
Bullet Head, you want it right now. Bullet Head, come in.
But don't get drunk. Drink. The wine, my love, when you're feeling fine. Cause when I hear that you're playing my song, I'll hold you and squeeze you and dub you for long. Oh, what a party night. Oh, what a party tonight. Drink. Just whisper my love, my dear, but don't get drunk. Drink. The beer and the wine, my love, when you're feeling fine. Cause when I hear that you're playing my song, I'll hold you and squeeze you and dub you for long. Drink. Oh, what a party tonight. Oh, what a party tonight.
Dedicate the song to the man called Was and the Massive. Saying, why me I show you?
Dedicate the one to the rock foot party along with
There's someone is speaking in your car, but when I hear that you're playing your song,
Jesus Christ. Peter Metro is intelligent. Murder. Drink. Dedicate the song to all the man we are drink a liquor. Say, cool not do anything when I see you.
Oh, what a party tonight.
Well now Jamaica for Civilization Part 2. You see me? I ain't never chat intelligently. What you gonna think call? Why Peter Metro is something to think about, see? Do it, John. Say big brains in a mathematics. Me a big brains in a mathematics. Lady Ann, big brains in a mathematics. We are big brains in a mathematics. Say in a secondary school we are maths master. The every maths question we know the answer. Say LCN lowest common number. Say HCF highest common factor. We no want no paper, we no want no ruler, we no want no paper or no calculator. Big brains in a mathematics. We are big brains in a mathematics law. 360 degrees, it make a circle. In a every circle you get a triangle. You know pi means 22/7. We even know the distance from earth to heaven. So when it comes to maths, me we create miracle. Big brains in a mathematics. Me a big brains in a mathematics. Flash it up. Big brains in a mathematics. Me a Jesus Christ. Bird style. Well now you have seen come this one happens to be another crisp biscuit. No son boy go out for this and this. Say, let's go here.
Can't come on, yeah.
Watch it.
Whoa. Can't come on, yeah. Whoa.
Well, dreadlock.
I pass a dance and I never
Remember, Buro Christian Farrin say, well tonight Christian Farrin. Skate and I can't swing Sunday night. Metro Media versus Shooter One. DJ contest and the fifth rubber dub contest. The rubber dub winner get $100 cash.
Murder. The happy can come in your Lord.
The happy can't come in. Forward a super him say live and direct. When Papa Jaro play the other sound of fret.
Yes, I.
And when you hear this, you don't hear nothing yet. As I was moving, I nearly forget Papa Jaro. Him say be rock and come
Dedicated
on,
to the man called Ringo. Long man called Buru just a come from foreign today.
He make you jump
Along
and
you can well stand.
He make you skank and come in. Skank and come on, yeah. Whoa. Oh. Skank and come on, yeah. Whoa.
Why Zozo?
Whoa.
Just full Zozo.
Say
Say,
Papa Jaro, him not done.
I know the vibe.
Whoa, whoa.
Yeah, nothing more to say now. Dedicated song to a virgin called Zozo that like peace, but you know, can't take certain vibes out of my one and thing. Well, just let's see come you can Squidley Ranking.
Yes, you know. That's how the youth call peace and better so the king and I play. When he comes and I play, all of the guys of tower. Wicked! Me say I go and join the army. Me say I go and join the army. Bang diddly, say me go and join the army. And also me say me must join the army. Hear me now, say me go a Barclays, we go bank some money. Me go a Barclays, we go bank some money. Bad man joke me down and beat me badly. Say most of all, them take the money. From that the robber turn my enemy. Me dally up a camp, we go join the army. When me reach at the gate, me sight a tall soldier. Him say what is me name? Me name Squidley D. Him say what me doing here? Me come fi join the army. Him say most of all, me too damn skinny. Me eye them big like them 10-cent cookie. Me have 2 teeth long like me Barney. Him say me head shape like them World War Jimmy. He measure me chest, he measure me hip. When him reach at me foot, him say them favor drumstick. Him say Squidley Ranking, you better you go home. You no have no job, phone, figure blow saxophone. Say I go and join the army. I go and join the army. And also me say I go and join the army. But watch a man, me name Squidley D, me band. Wicked. Well, now it's well long to man called Johnny Osborne selection, play with the King Sound. So you got to get it, got to be no clown. Man called Johnny Osborne, is what the King and I play. Finally, no, man called Johnny Osborne. The man called Ainsley, Killamanjaro.
And that's the feeling.
Man called Johnny Osborne. Final.
And that's the style.
Yes, you know.
We want to hear about them. And that's the feeling.
What am I saying, Peter?
We want to hear about them.
Well, Cher,
And that's the style.
to remember man, I'm saying,
We want to hear about them. Right from the start.
I'm going to mind of saying that all Brownstone footballers saying, all Brownstone footballers, you remember that there will be a general meeting to be held at McKintyre Center on Sunday the 12th of June, saying at 12 o'clock. And the man must show you say, every one of the footballers them supposed to work there because it's beneficial to all of them, saying. So please be there because I want benefit to all Brownstone Sports Club football and yes, I.
All you have to say is yo, if you want the rubber dubber right now, all me happy.
Thanks for Johnny Osborne saying.
So power the rubber dub right from the start. Power the rubber dub straight to
2nd of July. Metro Media and Ashanti Junction.
Power, if you're happy and you know it, let me know. If you love the rubber dub, say power. If you're happy and you love it, let me know. Say power, the rubber dub, and that's the feeling. So power, the rubber dub, right from the start.
Watch it! Special request for the man called Lutz, along the man called Derek, taxi driver, you know. Why never see a man love money, so?
And that's the style.
the kill son of the man called Derek the taxi driver. Boy, I love money, you see that shame. May I show you? What do you come to youth call you? What am I say you?
Yeah. Special request, and do remember Peter Mitchell dance on the night in a skate land. Special request, come on, call Madoo and all the Charo family. She won't go, yeah, she won't go. Tell me, darling, yeah. Tell me, darling, tell me that you love me so. Whoa. Hey, squeeze me, baby, never let me go. I love you, darling, love you with all of my heart. Whoa. Hey, squeeze me, baby, never let me go. Forever, I'll be true to you, and no one will ever hurt you. My darling, forever, please don't give your love to no one you. Yeah. Chihuahua, with all of my heart. Whoa. Hey. Chihuahua, with all of my heart. Tell me, baby, why won't you tell me now? Squeeze me, baby, yeah. Why won't you tell me now? Squidley D.
Yeah, me know. Say what a man can DJ, what a man can sing. What a man can DJ, what a man can sing. A man like you shoulda live for foreign. You joke me with a peanut, cha you fit in. Come baby next month a year me gone to foreign. Well no dreadlocks, the man called Johnny Osborne walks away. When it comes to man called Little Crucial John, why me tell you one name, the one I live in murder. See, the man called Little John. Dread, to kill a party legs and like so called Killamanjaro when the people's choice. The man called Ears and the cool operator. Along with a man Squidley Ranking the microphone center, you know. This coming Sunday night, I want a man about to skate and I kind of swing Sunday, see? Big Peter Major promotion. It's tomorrow night, Killamanjaro and a beach avenue. Live in Madoo. Wicked! This one is not wicked nor wakad. This one is waka daga.
Please sing on the man called Puddy Roots and I sing for the them. I want the them listening carefully, you know, as a man don't love when it comes to singing business. Sing for them, Puddy Roots.
Are you a Mr. Editor? You a Mr. Editor? Please, Mr. Editor, won't you please put my story in your magazine? But all of a sudden, man, she goes on, cause she's seen up a misery. Cause I'm a life-feeding fool, well, feeding her so cool. She broke my heart and made me cry, broke every rule and that's mine too. Confession, she can read it, so read it in my magazine. But all of a sudden, man, she goes on, she won't come dancing a gyro, you see.
Yes, Puddy Roots, boy, I love. Boy, what a man can sing in. Sing for them again, so.
Listen to me. Whoa, yeah. Please, Mr. Editor, won't you please put my story in a magazine? But all of a sudden, man, she goes on, cause she's seen up a misery. Cause I'm a life-feeding fool, well, feeding her so cool. She broke my heart and made me cry, broke every rule and that's mine too. Confession, she can read it, so read it in my magazine. But all of a sudden, man, she goes on, she won't come dance with Jim Kelly. She said I call her up and I apologize. She said she loved Puddy Roots as in me. Well, I'm afraid until me rest of life, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Lord, I know she want to dance with Puddy. Lord said him in a higher category. His favorite fruit, them call it berry. Well, can't you see? Whoa, Jara Gagan, yeah, Jaro Agagan, whoa, hey. So as a color rapper, and I apologize, but here comes the MC called Jim Kelly.
Yes, Puddy Roots, Lord have mercy.
because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Bow, because I know she wouldn't listen to me, right? Because me lock up the door and me can't find the key. Go on, lock up the room and me can't find the key. She want restaurant man, she gonna me. She say me complexion and strictly beauty. No matter come at her if your face ugly. You come in at the dance floor, you well lucky. I know she wouldn't listen to me. Bow, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Hey, because she gone out on the street, but she want another man. She never come at her, come and hold up on me hand. Until me say me weak, glad I got me know me stronger. Me sing the national anthem and me sing a good song. We in a Jaro dance, Lord, we be in as one. Cause I know she wouldn't listen to me. Bow, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Hey, she said that, hey, Jim Kelly better pay up the rent. Cause in your mind, pay lyrics invent. You can out at the desert and go pitch for your tent. You come in and they dance in a quiz so talent. Jaman, we not go pay no rent. The style from me mind and we well invent. Me know she wouldn't listen to me, God, because I know she wouldn't listen to me. Dwayne called Ainsley select wisely, along with Jim Kelly, the ambassador, the teacher, along with the man called Yo Madoo, the man called Puddy Roots, the singer, the man called John, the man called Peter Messer. Master Subby Trade, Master Subby, dedicated to all the man them who love say, anytime at all them feel them just fire peer shot. Little John style, man can't John they want to right now, and I so to one. Killamanjaro plays, do bamba do be day.
This is how they come every day.
One Jaro, the best.
Don't have nothing to do with. Oh no. Every day all you're talking is just badness. Oh, badness and madness. Badness and madness. Oh no. You must find something to do. You must find something to do.
So lots of picnic.
That you can achieve in
Ready.
this time. Yes, in this time. Yes, in this time. Instead of war and crime. Oh yeah. You take up your gun. You go shoot your brother down.
Oh well.
You take up your knife. You go take your sister's life.
Can't do a thing like that, Nigeria.
And that's no right, no, in that side, no, that's a badness, boy, a badness, oh now, badness,
Remember, you got to live upright in Jazza sight, and no bother with no fuss, no fight, come out to dreadlocks, fight for equal rights. Do you come the original studio one style, the thing called the badness and madness, dedicated to all Chucky Bow, see? All of the Chucky Bow, them are wing star. Fiddly-doo bang, fiddly-boom, die, ribbon-dong, bang. Lord of mercy, this is badness and madness. Me say badness and madness, but when me say badness and madness, Lord of God, badness and madness, but when me say you chuck it with your knife, to take your brother life, cause strive by strive, Kenny don't take bribe, cause down on the dance floor, that God may just arrive, the river may be deep man, the river may be wide, I will leave love it on the other side, cause this is what me doctor him subscribe, cause that is a madness, but when me say, cause badness and madness, hey, because you walk down the street, you want grab a handbag, wash out me clothes in a one box of fab. Now take me knife if you go full you up a stab. Pepper send you go a bush no catch be a crab. Come in and they dance if you not to love your hand. Salamana, come be nice it all that. This a badness and madness. This a badness and madness. But when me say you cheated, one. I tell you lie, murder style. I tell you about Jaro, and the things he do. You got to hear we play, say, a Papa Jaro come to stay, Lord Lord of mercy. Come and say whether in the hill and me say in the valley. Whether in the hill and me say in the valley. Cannot teach when I took it with a big bang collie. You come in on the dance and you start to dolly. You come in on the dance, you walk come in hurry. Me cooking, me food, me have to get the gravy. Me cook for me chicken, have to get the gravy. Me cooking, me food, me have to get the curry. No matter if you come in and you ask in hurry. This about this, madness. Bye, badness and madness. Lord of mercy, Killamanjaro style. No still the band called Little John selection. No you come a thing called the Stag Along, dedicated to all the people that who just reach Jaro. See, all the man them walk for walk over 25 miles for reach the dance. And the item style is see, thing called the Stag Along. Go on Jaro. Live it up, John. Call road you wanted at the bar now. Gun salute. Gun salute. Watch out, you're too cute. Yeah, you know. Let me you too tagala. Oh yeah, you too tagala. Oh yeah. Man called Little John, born and going to Jamaica land. Lord of mercy. Style. What my life you can't find a match. Yeah, you just tagalog. Little John selection, you come upon special tune dedicated to each and every man who just reach a Jaro dance. Cause it's a Jaro sound star. It's a sound well special. And play for each and every one. Uptown, downtown, and everyone have to gather around, young. Oh yeah, we now, Jawawa. Because the one Paulette and the one sister Pam. The one Paulette and the one sister Pam. Dress up in her socks with a pretty pam. Coming on the dance, then we be as one. Make we trot along. Bang, balang, balang, bang, brrrlin, this a trot along. Remember, we call the dreadlocks in a mockers and the dreadlocks in a tom. The ball let them come here, fi come near off the ram. Me come on this and dance, just for nice up this session. Me feeling hot and that a perspiration. Me feeling worse, me have to turn on me fan. The rich man up a sentence in the youth air condition. It's a trot along. Bye! Cannot see dreadlocks, it's a trot along. Bang, brrrlin, come in your call. Say you are chosen. Bang, brrrlin, say you got to be there. Cause Papa Jaro have the reason. Bang, brrrlin, come this a trot along. Bang, bang, brrrlin, this a wanna trot along. You coulda walk foot or come on a donkey cart. Face coulda bumpy, coulda full of pay what. Love you to my soul and me love you to my heart. Me wish me and my girl coulda never ever part. No matter if you go on like a blasted hazard. And this a soul man, it come for play the right shot. This a start along. bang balang balang bang brother. And this a stagalang. Taxi driver Derek, you want it by Lady and right now. We see the main call, you go for selection or play. Participation one thing called the Holy Holy. Dedicated to all the people who are bright star.
Holy, 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 holy.
Jaro style. A murder style. One so. Dedicated to the Nashville posse. Big boat here.
Dreams of holy yes, she's gone, and I run just like a dream. Holly, holy, one more time.
Puddy Roots. Clean up your lungs, clean up your lungs.
Dreams of holy.
G, your peas, Jaro, your sweet. Murder style. One Jaro. Big boat here.
Yes, she's gone.
Until the boat it.
And I run.
Me mama.
Wagwan ENT.
Just like a dream, holy, holy. Sing, sing a song. Sing a song of song. Sing it out. Sing a song. Let me hear you say yeah. Sing, sing, holy, holy, sing a song, sing it. Sing it out, sing it loud and sing along. Let me hear you sing along with me, yeah. Holy, holy house. Dreams of holy house.
Puddy Roots with the Jaro National Anthem. See? Listen to Jaro National Anthem now so far.
This song dedicated to him and Fleshy called Tibian, see? On a cool profile. Man like Danny Culture and him daughter. Sleeping one night when the father vision I said I wanted to be another follower of I. Hey, not up your ear and live a righteous life. Some you will be blessed as a Rastafari. I had to make a living cause I had a family. Hey, food he must eat and clothes he must wear. Never had a bus fear, not a resident around. I come a McKintyre to represent Jaro Town. Say long ear freaky people need not apply. No one no old nigga strictly Rastafari. Hey, take up your time. To me is the champion, along with Jim Kelly at the microphone stand.
Yes, Puddy Roots, a man like you should have there foreign, no gold chain, safaris, and magazine. Sing for them, Puddy Roots.
Special request to Killamanjaro in the area. And all you them who love Puddy Roots in the area, right? Sleeping one night when the father vision I said I wanted to be another follower of my root. Not up your ear and live a righteous life. Some you will be blessed as a Rastafari. I had to make a living cause I had a family. Hey, food he must eat and clothes he must wear. Never had a bus here, not a red tent around. I come on McKintyre to represent Jaro Town. Say long ear freaky people need not apply. No one no old nigga strictly Rastafari. Hey, take up your time to me the champion, along with Jim Kelly at the microphone stand. The man you Madoo and the man John Wayne, the operator Ainsley and the Puddy Roots. So it means that we keep don't run like you man. Jaro family represents the Almighty God. Equality and justice stand for all. Discrimination against Rasta must fall. Bye bye love, bye bye happiness. Hello, loneliness. I feel so good inside. Cause oh Cecilia, you're breaking my heart, you're turning my brains upside down. Oh Cecilia, I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you please to come home. Come on home, hey, tell them, one them, hey, making love in the afternoon with Cecilia up in my bedroom. Making love, I got up to wash my face. When I get back in bed, someone is taking my place. And a cold and gray Chicago morning, you come a Dunkirk, you jar a place straight till the morning, till the morning. And if there's one thing that she don't need, another little angry mouth to feed in the ghetto. Oh, 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 oh. Where you come, Jim Kelly?
Yes, Puddy Roots, you can't sing. How would the man as a Peter? Why a man like Puddy should live in London? Just take it easy, Puddy, you sung and a foreign guy wear no chin and ring. Well, out, Jed. Why is some girl out there and wine is a shame? I wonder which one of them will win the bubbling contest on their skate, Lanny. Dunkirk girl and can't bubbly. Hey! Badabadai, badabadai, Lord, badabadai, boogie down, to the rubber drum sound, boogie down, to the rubber drum sound. Along with Peter Mitchell and the microphone, I tell you, Mr. Mitchell, come to break boy's phone. The queen they are England, she sit down in her throne. She don't hear what's a gun in a jam down. It's like Peter Mitchell, come to break boy's phone. Some boy where a DJ figure sells no phone, and by yonder pants and go all up them tone. Boogie down, to the rubber drum sound. Boogie down, to the rubber drum sound. Take a set, Peter Mitchell, take a set. Me flash it in a east, me flash it in a west. The lyrics say me chatter, the lyrics say me make. Me come a jar, me chat it live and direct. Cause some DJ, them a human cassette. Me say, don't interlaker. Me go to Canada and them love me as the best. Me take off the S off a Superman chest. Take a set. Say Mitchell, take a set. Say Mitchell, take a set. Go and go do it. Dunkirk, go and go do it. Top Road, go and go do it. Nascoville, go and go do it. Tellaville, go and go do it. Say flowers on my shoulder, clocks, 40 and my face. I love to eat, I don't eat meat. Say look for me pants, so it full up a plate. Me mother first, so don't you know I'm sweet. When night time I come, me say me just can't sleep. Police in a car, a soldier in a jeep, and terrorist gunman is roaming the street. Cause every youth man them want to count on them say, boogie down, to the rubber drum sound. Boogie down, to the rubber drum sound. Because flash it so good, Lord, flash it so well, Lord. Teach them to read Metro, teach them to spell. I tell you, Mr. Metro, him no mix with Credella. Cause girl we have Credella is like a candy pan a shell. Boogie down, to the rubber drum sound. Boogie down, to the rubber drum sound. Some boy where a DJ figure sells no cone, and buy yonder pants and go all up them tone. I tell you, Mr. Mitchell, come fi break boy's bone. The queen they are England, she sit down in her throne. She don't hear what a go on in a jam down. Them start to hang man, Mr. out of Spanish town. And every lamb shade, mark home, sweet home. Boogie down, go on, Kelly.
Yes, Peter. Boy, I'm show them star. This one dedicated to all Washington. And this one dedicated to all the man who loves pose a gate. All the gate man. Who will I know the gate man? I want to straight to all gate man. Ed. Bye. Lord have mercy. I and I gate man. Big bout here. Saying dedicated to Bulleted. Bang bang bang. Me went to a dance last night, and me woman in a full suit of white. The damn gate man start to act so bright. Him take me $20, say no change tonight. Who want to me give him in him damn eyesight? The boy jump up and then he grab up on my wife. Hear me no boy. They gon' me wipe before you feel me ratchet knife. They gon' me wipe before you feel me ratchet knife. And feel me granny teach you fi read and write. You come in and the dance you a act so bright. You soon your mouth make damage when you live on a height. Cause over your back you have one dirty bag. Cause this a boy you look just someone to rob. Me prepare back me knife and pull him up and stab. You come in and the dance when you lost you love your hand. You wash out your clothes in a one box of fab. Hey, went to a dance last night. Cause me and me woman in a full suit of white. The damn gate man start to act so bright. Him take me $20 say no change tonight. Who want something me give him in him damn eyesight. The boy jump up and then him grab on for my wife. Hear me no boy. Let go me wife before you feel me ratchet knife. Let go me wife before you feel me ratchet knife. Hey, I feel me granny teach me read and write. You damn out and make garbage when you live on mother heights. You stand up on the guns, get a act so bright. And look on your pants so it well tight. You come in and be nice, but you come on night flight. Until your papa Jaro come the whole inside. We wiggle and we jiggle till broad daylight. At Christmas time we a fling the starlight. Me now take the girl up in me blasted white. Me prepare come and dance, come and chat it from the mic. Some live like hypocrite and some a live like parasite. They come in and they dance, they have to hold them tight. They go down for me and pray to Jesus Christ. No matter you come here and act so bright. Come and went to a dance last night. Oh me and me woman in a full suit of white. Me and me woman in a full suit of white. The damn gate man start to act so bright. Him take me $20 say no change tonight. Who want to me give him in the damn eyesight. The damn little boy start to act so bright. He jump up fast and he hold up on me. Hear me no boy. Let go me wipe before you feel me ratchet knife. Let go me wipe before you feel me ratchet knife. Lord of mercy on my soul. First night.
Yes, Lion. But there's a man called Jim Kelly. Right about now, my chop of the gate man scene. This is with a man called Chicky to the microphone stand. Yeah, but also, just on cook some food off our stove. Teresa St. Thomas in a golden grove. But as me reach on the dance gate, the gate man stand up and him can't set a pose. He won't come all off from his expensive clothes. But one country give him in his blasted nose. The house and it's a whole heap of bloody exploder. After me come from me work and me feel tired, Lord. Take a sleep, wake up and me feel well glad. In my stomach this feel bad. Me the win some money, have the ass so mad. Me have a piece of bread, me sing a boy a salad. For years say the boy man Jared as a one bad. Went to the gate, my temple like him a left hand crab, Lord. Him short me make out a crocus back. Gate man, you feel saver in the bowl from me sefe. Move your hand before you get a knife stab. Tie your hand, tie your foot and then me show and tag. Drop your in the gully, you'll be eaten by a hog. Me went to the dance, keep it solve the problem. The gate man a chat about me and him a friend me sefe. Let go me pants length by the argument. Let go me pants length by the argument. Him leg up on me pants length, full lamp on me style, Lord. Peace and make up, him left on the mic I find.
Yes, I, Jaro St. Speed, you know. Well, no, Jed, enough juice in the bar, you know. I say I don't drink nothing. We don't cater for laughter. We don't cater for laughter.
I knew that I loved you.
You see, we don't cater for laughter. Especially because all the man we drink a liquor. Both ya, Lord of His mercy. Why are you the Rockport girl? Them say them a win the bubbling contest on the night, you know. I skate, Lord. Hey!
The first time I saw you.
Watch it!
Oh, I love you, baby. The first time I
I'm
saw
dedicating
you,
the song to you, Can't So.
I knew that we would be together. Just like some birds of some feathers. I know I love you, baby. You really have to love me, baby. To get my true loving. Oh yes, I really love you. I know that I love you, baby.
Watch it!
The first time I saw you, I know.
Elena, boy, over yonder. Elena, boy, on me veranda.
If it's fit in the sky, it will fall in your eye. Don't wave me bye-bye. Don't make me cry.
And do remember, tomorrow night Killamanjaro play.
You and I,
right now Beachwood Avenue, sing.
Even in the weather, the first time I saw you, I knew that I loved you.
Well, no, Johnny, come to civilization, a counteraction, a participation. Along you zoos who are going to sing pan a version. And we have to zoo.
Dedicate to all the girls and sing. Yes, Jed. Long time sing. Dedicate to Chico. Whoa, whoa. Chihuahua, she went in. Once a night. Hold on for your thing. Chihuahua, she went. Oh, yeah. loving you, girl. I was so blind to see, and now that you gone, I leave me on my bending knees. It's gonna take a miracle. I said it's gonna take a miracle to let me love someone new. We're not so crazy for you. Didn't you know it shouldn't be that easy? You left me, and now that you set me free, it's gonna take a miracle. I said it's gonna take a miracle to let me love someone new. We're not so crazy for you, girl. You know how much I love you so, girl. Yeah, I'll never let you go. Oh no, it's gonna take a miracle. Yeah, it's gonna take a miracle to let me love someone new. We're not so crazy for you. Loving you, girl. I was so blind to see, I know that you go. I leave me on my bending knees. So we compete and make sure.
Just take it easy, Zuso. You way you can't sing, you should live in London, no school bar. Next week, Friday night, Arrows, you know.
One ENT.
Right now, I step my lion. I'm dedicated song to you, Carl Liberty. When he comes on the master blaster, say, Jesus
I want
Christ.
you to hear me, baby. I want you to
Dedicated song to G-Go, along with Sister Paul Annie. Cool on the other thing, when I see a bubble.
I'm just a man.
You pay bubble.
Yes, I'm just a man.
Every man who hold on for a woman, no! All who know a woman fall on for one of them big black boxes, no!
I'm just a man.
Watch it! You pay bubble.
Yes, I'm just a man.
Come make me bubble. Strictly bubbling.
Well,
Strictly
treat you
bubbling.
good when you want my good loving, oh baby. Yes, I'm the man who will treat you right when you
Well,
want.
Jed, along with I'm on Peter Metro.
Oh yeah,
Lord of His mercy.
yes, I love
Along you call Ainsley, the operator, you know. Just take it easy, Ainsley. A man like you shouldn't treat you.
The way
Big in England, operator, something so the way you know music is a shame.
wait for me. Yes, I'm just a man who will give you some sexual healing, baby. When you want my squeezing, baby. I'm just a man who will take you to the movie show. Even if murder. I hear your friends keep on telling you to
Why?
leave me, baby.
This one I hear them rhythm,
When
yeah.
hear them telling
I mean,
you
mama like
you
Tyrone
walk out of my
Taylor.
life, baby.
You know,
But
them
you
mother
know
can't
that
sing
it's
as a
not right.
shame.
That's why you stay with
Well,
me,
no,
baby.
Jed. Give thanks and
I'm
praise
just a
to all
man.
my past fire, most of a blind. I know live to see how some man aboard them ears. Well, look at you call. You are going to give us some singing style. What the man say, you?
Dedicated to Debbie, especially because the man called Norman and Fancy, you know. Hey. I saw the crystal raindrops fall and the beauty of it all when the sun comes shining through. Yeah. To make those rainbows in my mind and to think of you sometime. I wanna spend more time with you. Yeah, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Oh yes, just the two of us. Building castles in the sky, just the two of us. You and I, yeah. Good things might come to those who wait, and not to those who wait too late. I wanna spend more time with you. Whoa, whoa, yes. good things might come to those who wait, and not to those who wait too late. And it don't make no flowers grow. Yeah, just the two of us. We can make it if we try, just the two of us. Building castles in the sky, just the two of us. You and I, yeah. Peter Metro, I tell them what you have to say.
Whoa, why me I show you jet lag? Well, this one name, Society Party. Dedicated song to our Dunkirk guys. All the man in our society. Why Peter Metro? Hello, Jen. Them keeping a conference inter-country. Keeping a conference inter-country. Distinguished guests from our society. Like Mr. Manley and his wife Beverly. Operator, I don't hear the crowd. This one named Society Party. Say, we're not cool down and make Peter Mitchell go into the society party. Strictly bubbling. Strictly bubbling. Me say them keeping a conference inter-country. Distinguished guests from our society. Like Mr. Manley, him wife Beverly. Mr. Siago, him wife Mitzi. The one Reagan and him wife Nancy. The master of ceremony and Mr. Gigi. Them want a DJ fi chat intelligently. Them don't want Burro or Michael Irie. Cause those DJ cause fear lady. Me love the lady like how me love me mommy. Me they out for part me and the big queer party. Beside the police and two soji. Them set to Peter Metro use intelligently. The people them want you up a intercounty. Lord, you should have seen me in a me three-piece suit. Every soldier man just a bow and salute. When me reach a intercounty at the parking lot, all of the car was fear Cadillac. When me reach from the hotel, from the 9th floor, and the stage singing was the great Commodores. Them say here come Peter Metro from El Salvador. Here come Peter Metro come to settle all score. Go away Commodores when I want to hear one no more. When me take up the mic and when me start to shot lad, you should have seen Risco crack that rap. Say Michael get up with him wife Beverly. Him a do the style him electric boogie. Siago get up with him wife Mitzi. Him a do the style him water pumpy. Say Reagan get up with him wife Nancy. Him a do the style him cool and deadly. The one Miss Lou a muggle in a mini. Governor General Lord Mr. Gigi. Sit down in a corner never have nobody. Grandma upon the woman where them call Miss Lou. When they make the first wine, Miss Lou say you fit. Make one more wine, Miss Lou sing like Chalice. You can't rub her, you can't dub her, you can't wine. Murder! You can't rub her, you can't dub her, you can't wine. When it's sweet Gigi, you know. Here Gigi to Miss Lou, no. To the wine and sweet if you have swine, no. Lou, if you need me, I don't have no phone line. I don't have no number. Anytime you want me, when you waistline. It name society party. It name society party. So you feel bubble. You feel bubble, bubble. You feel bubble. You feel bubble, bubble and make no trouble. Why me I show you? This coming Sunday night, scene and boom, in a skateland. Shooter one versus Metro Media. Crowd burst in a skateland Sunday night. Rubber dub contest and DJ contest. Burro, Wilson, Irie. What are you going to final? You Griffith sign and play.
Miserable, miserable, miserable woman.
Right?
You must understand.
Dedicate a song to all
you must share my plan. Sing.
Them a pick it up, turn up and run when Jaro come. Bow! Well, here it comes on the double.
Miserable, miserable, miserable woman.
Watch it!
You must understand. You must share my plan. See, he's a rebel woman. He's a rebel woman. I said you must understand.
Watch it!
You must hold me by my hand. You must help me share my plan.
Dedicate a song to the old Carl Clive, says. White Clive, I want you to release the tune on name Canada Cool, you know. Don't hold it up at all, let it go road.
Mr. Rebel, Mr. Rebel, Mr. Rebel, Mr. Rebel woman. You roam in the street at night.
Why me I show you music business fuck up? I'm gonna do a tune name to you. And then ban it from JBC. Just because I say me have 6 baby mother in a 1 area. Them say 2 is better than too many. Them can't stop your metro. Big sexy.
The rebel woman.
Foxy wanted by Marley.
Better to settle down than roam in the street at night. You must settle down.
Watch it.
You ain't no clown.
Play by the sounds called Jaro. Along the youth called Jim Kelly. Along the man called Peter Mitchell. The teacher, the prime minister, you know. Well known dreadlock. He come the youth called Trevor Jr. From the state rhythm in some style and fashion, you know.
Where come from? Run away! Who any sound boy play the thing by them 2 bars on them car? Madoo?
Hey, would you mind saying that for me again?
Run away! Jump on the boy! Where come from?
Would you mind saying that for me again?
Run away! Who any sound boy play the thing by them 2 bars on them car? Madoo? Murder? Go on, you know? Watch it.
Murder! You call Trevor Jr., you know.
If a sound boy gonna stay.
Badan, bawa dan 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 dan.
A sound boy gonna stay. When this sound started to play.
Why me I show you?
A sound run away.
When you hear all them tune and have a woman for bubble underneath, me know it feel. Especially kids who all the man when they have one for bubble underneath. And after the one side I feel up them.
A sound boy gonna stay. If it pray, a sound boy gonna stay. We bounce them in a rubber dub style. Drum and bass, it's wicked and wild. Reggae music in a fine style. If it pray, a sound boy gonna stay. If it pray, a sound boy gonna stray. When this sound started to play and the DJ start DJ, a sound boy run away, run down far away, run away I say. If it pray, a sound boy gonna stray. If it a sound boy gonna stray. We dancing on the hot asphalt also the time.
Watch it.
Them ya tune on them wine.
Play on the sounds for the Killamanjaro. Along the man called Pizza Metro. Dedicate a song to the girl called Chocho. You think me not see her?
If it pray, a sound boy gonna stray.
I'm gonna get this one to the sister called Annie.
You better turn around.
Now it comes to part 2. I want to play the night of the venue. With a little thing called they must get up, turn up and run when Peter Metro coming up. Cause the lyrics on the mouth is like a bullet from a gun. The school long dread Peter Metro just come now me know. You sit down pan 2 rhythm and make you know. I saw me chop warm and easy. Yes I Lord. With the good chance, I'm gonna play them on the check. Come and say that's the way, I like it, say that's the way, I like it, say that girl. Come and say look how her bottom so big and fat. Can you rig it, can you jig it, that girl. Come and say look how her bottom so big and fat. Can you rig it, can you jig it, cause that's the way, I like it, say that's the way, I like it, Them a pick it up, turn up and run when Peter come. Boom! Them a pick it up, turn up and run when Jaro come. Lord. Them a pick it up, turn up and run when Peter come. Dread! Them a pick it up, turn up and run when Peter come. Lord, because they rising from the sun is like a bullet from a gun. Me eat my banana with a little rundown. Me have so much lyrics, DG, you want some? Me do 345 and 4 album. Me eat my banana with a little rundown. Me have me little daughter, me just get me son. Me daughter good looking, but me son handsome. I come fi show them me tree start blossom. Cause that's the way, I like it, Cause me say that's the way, I like it, Well out there. You call Trevor Jr. selection, play with the champion. No son boy grab up for this and miss. Because them sign a Chris coming from the Jaro Conco basket, you know. So what do you see that are lazy though when they can't come and stay? Trevor Jr.
Wicked man.
Watch it. We're having a party tonight,
What he gonna do? What he gonna say?
Wagwan ENT.
Wicked man.
Where says Ozo?
Jaja is watching you.
Dedicate to all one tonight.
You show the youth what is wrong by putting a gun in his hand to destroy his own generation.
Play by the song called Mr. Jaro.
Healing from the oldest to the younger one. So tell me what he gonna do, what he gonna say.
You call Trevor Jr.
Wicked man, to destroy your own generation.
Dedicate to all Dunkirk guys.
Healing from the oldest to the younger one. Do you know you created grave and corruption? You teach the young generation what is wrong. So what he gonna do? What he gonna say? Wicked man. No place.
Mango Luch, you want to buy petrol? Luch, you want to buy pizza? Yo, yes, you know.
No. You created too much crime. Yeah,
I come a counteraction fashion and I give a party style. And it's them style, them soon come a road by Clive Jarrett. Sing, yes, Jed. Dedicated man called Danny. Wow. Chihuahua, she way, I know this girl, she loves me, but now she looking so bad to be her lover. I know this girl, her name is Faith. Say she looking so bad to be her lover. I know from the day she wanna leave and go away, and now I tell her how much I really love her, yet still she really don't care. She's going away. She's going away, yeah. I know this girl, she said she loved me, but now she looking so bad to be her lover. Her name is Faye, she's going astray, yeah. Say she looking so bad to be her lover. Maybe it's her next door neighbor, maybe it's my friend, I really don't know. I wish you one a day, Chihuahua, I wish you one a day, hey. I said I wish you one a day. Once there's a will,
They got to be your way. Peter Metro want to buy a lunch at the actual now. Saying, Puddy, come in.
We're having a party. I hope you will find.
Annie, come in.
We're having a party tonight. And everything will be alright. Come on, Jaro family. It's time that we should have some fun. Donna McKintyre ski, Brownstone vicinity. Donna McKintyre ski, Brownstone vicinity. It's Ainsley select rubber dub wisely. It's Puddy Roots sing it intelligently. I never mentioned my brethren them called Jim Kelly. I never talk about you Madoo at the control. We got to play Jaro sound every day. We never leave Jaro. We come here to stay each and every day. Come on, everyone. I hope that you were having some fun. Don't try to work your soul away. Remember there is another day.
The school Puddy Roots, take it easy, boss. We are no approaching in the future. Well, look at the man called Dan Carlos to walk on the turntable. Along the man called Peter Mitchell. Love the thing below the girl them neighbor. Jesus Christ, Lord. Them get me mad, them get me mad, them get me mad, mad, mad. Them get me mad, them get me mad, them get me. Oh, Mitchell.
Be by Papa Jaro alone. Be by Papa Jaro alone.
Man called Dan Carlos says, watch it.
From a up-down Kingston.
Watch it.
From the up-down region. Yeah, from a up-down Kingston. From the up-down region.
Yes, I.
East, west, north, and south. I've heard them running their mouth. But when it comes to the test, Papa Jaro, you are the best. Oh, yeah.
Man called Dan Carlos saying, play by Jaro alone.
Play by Papa Jaro alone. Whoa.
Play by Papa Jaro alone. From the uptown region.
Yeah. Play by Papa Jaro alone.
Yes, I. Well, he come the part to the thing called play by Killamanjaro alone. Say, this is before I and I go on this. I make Puddy Roots sing on it. What am I say, Puddy Roots?
Give me the right to hold you, cause I'm your man. Give me the right to hold you, let me understand. I've got the right to hold you, cause I'm your man. So if you don't want me hold you, let me understand. What makes the world for you so? Really, I don't know. Yeah, treat me right day and night, and I never ever let you go. I said I never let you go. I let you wiggle and you toe. We have them all in a row. It's Peter Metro.
Lord of mercy. Why me I show you dreadlock? It good to have a DJ, a chant reality. No dread. No bother. Put on your shoes before you put on your socks. Say if you feel for me, go jukes and relax. Say if you have a running belly, take relax. When time for your left, you tell your brethren you go tracks. Me say some say shoes, say some say socks. Me we play at Dolly House, me now play jacks. Me love it when you come a dance with your big radio box. Me head well ball, one day me a go lock. You learn naughty wisdom and the natural fact. Say if you want to drink your order scotch on the rocks. A fowler looking good man, John know him off his scratch. Him take 21 days before him hatch. Say out of Spanish town you find the hanging gallas. And in my bed where me have me comfort. Tonight me want to tell you about the gasoline tax. Say 10 cents more is what you got to pay to fix all the roads and all the highway. Jaman, you not gonna like it when the weather get cool and the car broke down, say too much patrol. Cause these are the things that cause you to swear when you think about the cost of auto repair. So whether from far or whether from near, I wish you good tidings and good cheer to all DJs, including Brigadier. Me go to barber shop and then me cut off me hair. Me wear sheepskin, me no wear cashmere. Me walk road late because me don't have no fear. And bad boy jump me down and make sure don't care. Me buy me girl a slip and a 4 brassiere. And little after that she says she want underwear. Me give her $50 for her taxi fare. And give her $30 for go cream her ear. Zuzu nyam 19 bulla with 1 slice of beer. So just the other day me go to half a 3 square. Beside a youth man with him pants spot and tear. Him one piece of bread figure eat with a beer. Me ask him where him mother, she sit down over there. She right at her foot of 50. Show ya hear me operator. Murder style. Chop it, chop it, chop it, chop it. Murder. Well, now, Jed. Well, this one happens to be another master blaster. Play the sounds called Jaro International. Dan Carlos. Lord. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is Dunkirk, man. Oh, yeah. A lot of man now get no tonight. Watch it. I dedicate this one to all young blood, I say. Man called Dan Carlos, say.
Ababa Janai, we love you. Ababa Janai, we love you. Yeah.
You see me, a gal a mind me. A gal a mind me.
So I come to warn the nation. Yeah. It's Rastaman's redemption. What a lovely vibration when we all can sing our song. Ababa Janai, we love you.
First of the first man called Dragon
Ababa Janai
from Washington. Brother.
That's so. Chant I bring it around. That's so. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. I come to warn the nation, telling people now generation. Baba Janai, we love you. Baba Janai, we love you. Yeah. Special request to number 1 scene. Hear them style, yeah. Killamanjaro style, see?
Yes, I.
Killamanjaro style, hear it.
Whoa,
oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, Killamanjaro, I said we love you. Oh, Killamanjaro, I said we love you. Yeah. Oh, Killamanjaro is the A1 sound.
Lord.
Yes, Killamanjaro.
You could have bad blood. That girl is mine. Now you can the part two. Peter, make sure you are going to some style. You. May I show you say I'm my woman in there. Yeah, show me say yours. I know what she's mine. You. Go school and level. Lord. Hear me soap, hear me star, hear me near, hear me far. You. Every night she walks right in my dreams. Since I met her from the start, I'm so glad that I'm the only one who is special in her heart. The girl is mine. Hey, you got the goddamn girl is mine. Mine. You. Don't waste your time. The goddamn girl is mine. What am I gonna say, you?
Yes, Peter. I don't understand the way you think, saying that she's yours, not mine. Sending roses and your silly dreams, really just a waste of time, because she's mine. Yeah. Because the doggone girl is mine. You know, Peter? Don't waste your time. Yeah.
May I show you why you tell me say I'm female, man, and me I tell them say I'm mine. What do you know why she's mine? Alright now, level. Hey, style, you know. Drum and bass style. You see me. She a mine me. You see me. You see me. Me no easy. You see me. Hey. A lot of man not get no tonight. So a lot of man might have to stand up and fight, because the girl them Russian in a decent session. Me want to bubble for a woman and get me satisfaction. Give me now. But you see me, a girl a mind me. You see me, I mean no easy. You see me, a girl a mind me. You see me, say me no easy. Me say Peter, me just chat intelligently. The lyrics say me chat man a reality. Me name Peter, me just want February. You know say February that mean spicy. You know say spicy mean fish in a sea. So me choose my girl them very wisely. The worst girl me there in Jimmy and Beverly. Me carry me out figure cook for me. She cooks 2 peas full it up a curry. She mix lemonade, she put milk in her eat. She put the knife on the left, the fork on the right. She come in like the ass name legal light. Say all the girl want is sex every night. I'm hungry at the goat me try. Hungry at the goat me try. Murder. What do you call a man called Sammy Dreadlocks? Play with the king, you know. The Sammy Dreadlocks. Watch it. The man called Sammy Dreadlocks.
He them in a dance style. For all the dance.